Hi everyone, my name is Courtney Highland and I'm a prevention education and distance learning specialist at the retreat. I wanted to pop in today to just give you a brief overview of a program called Pixton. And we use Pixton with students to promote inclusivity and allow them to be creative and build community with one another, and also be able to learn from their experiences through storytelling. So I'm going to give you a brief overview now so you know how to potentially use this program with your students. All right, so what you're seeing right now is the back end of Pixton. So this is my educator account. So there are going to be two really important things that you can do with this account. I believe it's like a $99 annual fee for educators, but definitely check with them if you work for a nonprofit and they might have additional deals for you. So one of the things that you will be able to do is create your own comics. And that is really valuable if you're going to be using these in lessons. So you can go to Comic Maker. You're going to see here, I have tons of different comics here, and create a new comic. I kind of like to start from scratch, but feel free to use their templates if you want to kind of play around with those. And once you're in here, you'll be able to choose different scenes. And most importantly, you'll be able to choose different characters. So you can add different people. You can change their hair color, skin color, gender, identity, what they're wearing, all of those types of things, which is really important to be inclusive, especially, and be representative of the group that you're working with. So you'll be able to include different characters, different ages, plug them in, obviously edit them, right? And then include different words. So you can add speech bubbles, a thought, a whisper, a shout, different captions. You can change their facial expressions, which is really, really important for us when we're working with students on relationships, because we want to really show the different feelings that might be happening in situations like boundaries and maybe crossing or setting boundaries, right? So changing of eye direction, changing of different expressions, scared, happy, tired, all those things. So this is a really important thing that you can do. You can make the comic as many slides as you want. We kind of try and stick to 3, but whatever works for you. And you can really have a good time just playing around with this just yourself. The other cool feature that you're going to see in Pixton is your ability to create a class. So this is one of my groups that I have, Teen Leadership Council. And all of the students will be prompted to create their own avatars. And then it kind of creates this class photo for us. We're able to use each other in comics, look at each other's comics, maybe make comments, and it can be used as an online or in-class activity. So we think this is really valuable in kind of building that community vibe that we're looking for and allowing students to see themselves as a part of this group. So once you send your students to the link to your class, this is what they will see. They do need a Gmail account in order to access it. So I'm just kind of going to show you with my personal account right now. And the first thing they'll be prompted to do is to make their own individual avatar. And this is such a nice way to introduce the program, let students play around a bit, get comfortable, really express themselves, and feel like they're going to be a part of this larger group here. So we definitely want to give them time and space to really be creative here with their avatar. So that's about it. Once students create their avatar, they're a part of your class and you all can start creating comics together. Really great way to have students be represented within your class and a part of your community, and also being able to allow them to practice different strategies in a bunch of different scenarios in a safe way. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you're able to include Pixton in any of your future youth group activities, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.